Hi, I'm Karen from the Planet Project. If you're looking for a simple way to support your climbing beans or tomato plants, then use this step-by-step guide Zach and I have put together for you to help you build a teepee for your garden. Depending on how many plants you want to put in, you could use anywhere from 3 to 8 stakes. Aim for a 2.4 high bamboo stake, as a lot of climbing bean varieties can grow up to 2 meters tall, plus you need a section of the stake pushed into the ground. Find something round in your garden that you can use as a guide for the size and shape of your teepee. I'm just using this lid of the fire pit. I'm aiming for an 800 diameter teepee purely so that kids can walk inside. For this teepee we're making, you'll need 8 stakes. Put the first one in at 12 o'clock, the next in at 3, one at 6 and one at 9 o'clock, and then put the remaining 4 stakes in between these so they're nicely spaced out in a circle. To secure your teepee, you need to use outdoor string or twine, something that's going to last. Start by taking hold of 2 stakes at the top and tying them together with a length. After this, continue to tie the rest of the stakes together so it's secure. After tying it, use your weight to push the whole structure into the ground a little more so it's really solid. Remove your template now, as it's just going to get in your way. You need to use twine to secure the bottom of the teepee, and this also gives the bean plant something to attach to. Take a piece of string and wrap it around your whole entire teepee so you know what length it needs to be before cutting it. Go ahead and secure the string to each stake so it's firm and won't move up or down. Repeat this about halfway up, securing each stake. I'm failing to practice what I preach. I've noted on my website many times that you should never walk on your garden or prepared soil. It compacts the soil, making harder work for your roots, plus removes the air from your soil. I'll need to aerate the soil before planting. Just use a fork or a spade to loosen up the top 20 centimeters or so of the soil. This will provide the plant's roots plenty of growing room. Mainly for aesthetic reasons, I've decided to make some crisscross shapes around the bottom of my teepee. This will add more strength. I've used pea mulch inside the teepee just because I know the kids are going to walk on it and it'll stop it getting really muddy. Measure your stakes. Mine are about 30 centimeters apart, but yours only need to be 15 centimeters apart if you want to make the diameter of your teepee a bit smaller. Mark out your spaces. The beans need to be planted about 5 centimeters in front of each stake. If you find 2 bean seedlings in a section of punnet, carefully untangle the roots. Do this very carefully, you don't want to damage them. But you only want 1 bean planted at each stake. Plant your bean seedlings about 5 centimeters in front of each stake. Plant your seedlings a little bit deeper in the soil than they were in the existing punnet soil. This will help to give them a little bit more support. Continue planting all the way around until you've planted in front of each stake. I need 8 plants for mine as I have 8 stakes. Push them down, secure them, and give them a really good water. When your seedlings are about 10 to 15 centimeters high, secure them with a really loose piece of twine just to hold them towards the stakes. Go and check out our website, theplanetproject.co.nz. We've also got an online shop. Have a look at our products and accessories and our subscription boxes. Thanks.